Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can fix BigWalk crashing on Steam. So step number 1 is going into your library right here, find your BigWalk game, right click on it and select properties. In here, in general, inside the launch options, you can select -dx11. Once you've got this out of the way, you want to go to install files and select this verify integrity of the game files. Once this is confirmed, you can close this one and close Steam as well. And you want to head over, go to the browser, and in Google you can type Redist. Then you can select this Microsoft Learn link right here, left click on it. Once it's opened, you can scroll down a tiny bit until you see this paragraph, which is for redistributable versions, and you want to get that .x86 and x64. Just left click once and get it on your device. Once you get it, Steam will be restarted. Next up, you can open either NVIDIA app or AMD, depending on what drivers are you using. After they launch, you want to close this, go to drivers, and in here you want to select this circle arrow, which is checking for updates. Press that, and if you have any available updates, you can get it from here. Then you can restart your PC and then relaunch Steam again and try to launch BigWalk again. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.